Climate change impacts on our coasts. Most important expressions and words from the context. Coastline refers to the line where the land meets the sea, specifically in the context of New South Wales NSW. Environmental, relating to the natural surroundings and the impact of human activities on them. Social, pertaining to society and human interactions within a community. Cultural, relating to the customs, traditions, and values of a particular group of people. Economic value, the importance of something in terms of its contribution to the economy, such as generating jobs and income. Landforms, physical features of the Earth's surface, such as beaches, dunes, headlands, and estuarine waterways. Ecosystems, complex communities of organisms and their environment, interacting as a system. Aquaculture, the cultivation and farming of aquatic organisms, such as fish, shellfish, and seaweed. Aboriginal peoples, refers to the indigenous people of Australia and their cultural heritage. Recreation, activities undertaken for enjoyment, leisure, or relaxation. Tourism, the industry and practice of traveling for recreation or leisure purposes. Climate change, refers to long-term shifts in weather patterns and global temperatures, largely caused by human activities. Sea level rise, the increase in the average level of the ocean's surface due to climate change and melting ice caps. Ocean acidification, the process of increasing the acidity of the ocean due to the absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Extreme weather events, severe and unusual weather incidents, such as storms, hurricanes, and floods. Coastal development, the construction and infrastructure built along the coast, including buildings, roads, and ports. Habitats, the natural environments in which organisms live and depend on for survival. Wildlife, the non-domesticated animals and plants living in their natural habitats. Coastal communities, the communities residing in coastal areas and dependent on the coast for their livelihoods. Agriculture, the practice of cultivating crops and rearing animals for food, fiber, and other products. The importance of the coast in NSW. NSW includes 1590 km of coastline and around 900 beaches, which have immense environmental, social, cultural and economic value. The coastline includes stretches of sandy beach and dune systems separated by headlands and backed by extensive and diverse estuarine waterways. These landforms have been shaped by the gradual processes of waves, tides and ocean currents. They support diverse and important ecosystems including temperate reefs, sandy nearshore and beach environments, seagrasses and mangroves. The NSW coast is of critical importance to our economy, with jobs and industries such as commercial fishing, aquaculture and tourism. NSW has a large coastal fishery and aquaculture industry. These industries depend on healthy coastal ecosystems which support commercial seafood species for all or some of their life cycles. The NSW coast has important cultural values and is very important to local Aboriginal peoples. It provides important places for cultural activities such as gathering, fishing and connecting to country and contains many sites of cultural significance. The NSW coast offers a range of social and recreational values by providing places for people to relax, connect with nature and each other, and enjoy activities such as fishing, walking, surfing and swimming. Tourists from across Australia and the world are attracted to NSW's beaches and coastal areas. Damage to these areas will impact tourism businesses and the state's economy. How the coast is affected by climate change in NSW. Climate change is having a significant effect on the NSW coast in several ways. Effects include sea level rise, warming ocean temperatures, ocean acidification, changes to rainfall and runoff, and more extreme weather events such as severe east coast lows. These changes will affect coastal landforms and ecosystems including oceans, beaches, estuaries, lagoons and rivers. Damages and changes to these areas will in turn affect coastal development and infrastructure, habitats and wildlife, coastal communities, social and cultural activities, coastal industries such as fishing, agriculture and tourism. Sources.